Welcome to the Aya Clinic. I am Jake, the Aya Clinic's business and clinical operations educator. At the Aya Clinic, we work as a committed and aligned team to ensure that your health needs are taken care of at all times. Today, I am going to walk you through the process of what goes into making that happen. Your visit begins with the scheduling of your appointment. This is usually done by our scheduling staff, though anyone in the clinic, including the doctor, can do it at any time. Scheduling begins a series of actions and processes that are carried out to ensure that we are ready for your visit. A chart event is created, labs and results are made available, your insurance data is updated. All this has to happen before you can be checked in and brought back to the exam room. If you have arrived to our office as an urgent same-day walk-in, then all these activities have to be integrated on the fly in the midst of other previously scheduled activities. Remember that for us, each patient appointment is a promise by us to the patient that we will care for him or her to satisfaction. We take this promise very seriously and are proud of our ability to execute successfully. This is the reason we have been awarded the designation of a top doctor practice for 13 years in a row. When you arrive at one of the Aya Clinic offices, the front desk staff check you in and ask you for updates to your contact information and insurance. They perform insurance eligibility verification to ensure that you get the maximal coverage for your service from your insurance. To the best extent possible, the staff also try to advise you on the levels of coverage that you can expect for your planned service and assist you in the handling of co-payments and clear any balances outstanding from previous visits. We also try to explain what you can expect if you have a high deductible plan. While we do our best to explain these options to you, your insurance is your policy and a choice made by your employer and you with regard to how you have chosen to fund the provision of your healthcare. We do not have any control over the level of coverage that you may have, even though we will do our best to assist you by advocating strongly on your behalf and try to get you the maximum coverage that can be obtained. After check-in, you'll be conducted to your exam room by one of our nurses who will record your current active problems, reason for the visit, review medications and record your height, weight, BMI, pulse temperature and blood pressure. The nurse will also prepare any order sheets for the doctor's use and update your chart record with the information collected. When the doctor walks in, he will typically perform his evaluation in a conversational environment. With over 40 years of experience, the doctor is performing his evaluation from the instant he walks in. In many cases, he has already made critical observations of you as you were being brought in by the nurse based on the manner of your posture and your conduct. When in the room, he will review the nurse's notes on your chart while conversing with you. After performing the necessary examinations, he may order tests as needed, execute referrals and order tests, update the chart record and send prescriptions to your preferred pharmacy. Education and counseling is invariably done in the context of the visit. After your visit with the physician is over, our front desk staff will check you are and help you with the clearance of any applicable co-payments and balances. They will also facilitate all your referrals to other specialists, process your prior authorizations required by your insurance to cover necessary services and medications, set up your follow-up appointments, and set up your access to your health portal logon. Now that you understand all that we do to ensure you get the best service, call us any day to arrange to be seen at our Herndon or Stone Springs office in Aldi. We work very hard to give you excellent healthcare, and this is why we have earned the designation as a top doctor practice every year since 2012. We are proud of our track record of excellence and believe that you always deserve the very best from us. Welcome once again to the Aya Clinic, the place for a higher way of healthcare.